So what is going on, crypto investors, altcoin investors? Right now, altcoins are taking a hit. We're nearing the inauguration. Yes, I am in a restroom at my work. Overall, I document my journey, showing you guys the day-to-day events around the crypto markets, indicators around Bitcoin, altcoins, how liquidity is shifting and everything like that. I usually make my videos still in my little studio at home, but I want to start documenting my day-to-day life while educating you guys on the market. So not only educating, but entertaining you guys. I want to do this whole crypto journey stuff different. I'm still working a 9 to 5 right now. I plan to exit this, hopefully within the next year or so after the bull run. But overall, I want to keep you guys updated on everything you need to know while also entertaining you guys. And right now, altcoins are taking a hit. We have swept the lows from Bitcoin. I've been talking about it on this YouTube channel whenever we sit down and talk about all those indicators. But this has everyone leading to believe that altcoin season is about to happen. And the inauguration is already next week, which really has everyone talking about how price action is about to rip up like crazy. But a lot of people are also speculative just based off of exactly what we have seen at the start of January. We have covered multiple charts talking about how this was, planned. I even talked about how I was, thinking a crash was going to happen at the beginning of January, and it did. And now is the calm before the storm. Are we going to be ripping up super hard, or are we going to be deviating after this, fake pump? I honestly do not know. We need to know a little bit more of the price action and exactly what's going to be happening. No one truly knows what's going to be happening. So this video is either going to be a testament to telling you guys everything can switch up even whenever everyone's super bullish on altcoins, or it's going to be like, hey, you should have bought altcoins, they're ripping back up. But overall, guys, it is the end of my workday. I want to talk about these specific indicators that you need to be focusing on right now, and overall exactly how I'm navigating the space as a crypto altcoin investor. My portfolio is going up and down. I'm still up pretty significantly because I've been allocated to the market since the beginning of 2023. So overall, I have expanded my horizons in terms of my crypto investments, my placements, my exposure. But right now, guys, is the calm before the storm. What's going to be happening next? I want to talk about those indicators and exactly what you need to be focusing on. But I need to go grab my stuff, clock out, and get out of work. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys, so just got home, about to hit the bag. Shadowbox bro split Monday through Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday I hit the bag. Today's Thursday. But overall, commute, guys, coming home is usually like an hour and 20 minutes. Today was an hour and 40. But overall, the markets right now, everyone's talking about how it's super bullish on the fact that we have huge companies, we have actual countries that are allocating money to Bitcoin and actually thinking of adding a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Multiple countries are already in the talks about this ever since Trump put it into fruition, and a lot of people are starting to jump on board. We have huge companies discussing with other huge individuals about adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, like Microsoft. So overall, guys, valuations around the markets and overall where Bitcoin's going to be going, it seems like everyone is super bullish on the fact that altcoins are about to start ripping up. But I have seen, guys, I'll put it up to the side right here, that the markets usually see a huge rip up, a deviation, and then one last huge rip up. We saw that in the total 2 chart back in the 2021 crypto bull run, and I'm pretty sure we're going to see it again. Altcoins are going to rip up very significantly, and then they're going to deviate lower because Bitcoin dominance is going to start shooting back up, which is going to squeeze the liquidity out of alts. And then from there, Bitcoin, after it had its final rally, Bitcoin dominance shoots back up more than likely to around the 60% mark. Then we're actually going to see the deviation and the actual final rip for altcoins more than likely going to be happening in Q2 or Q3. Overall, though, back in 2021, it happened in the end. So right at Q4 in November, that's whenever altcoins peaked out. I'll have everything to the side right here so you guys can see. But overall, that's where my mind's at right now. Everyone's super bullish moving into the inauguration, and I'm super bullish as well, which is why I have my bags packed. But I am, anticipating a potential huge pullback after altcoins get a huge rip. The question is are altcoins automatically going to start ripping up after the inauguration and keep going into March, more than likely May, June, and then from there cool off, which is when I plan to take a little bit of profits and then see Bitcoin dominance run back up, altcoins get squeezed for a little bit near into the end of the year, and then from there Bitcoin dominance crashes down and altcoins get the liquidity that they need to see the final rip up. But overall, guys, that's my perspective on the markets right now, and exactly the sentiment in terms of why everyone's so bullish and why other people are a little bit skeptical on the markets. But overall, I'm working out right now, gotta hit the bag. I'm gonna shoot one last part of this video to wrap up everything. But overall, yeah, I'm getting better. I'm trying to get better at shoot every part of my life. So stay tuned and keep watching.
This is designer. You do, buddy. You.
But yeah, guys, after I get done working out, it's usually about like 7 o'clock. That's usually when I go in and I shoot these videos and then edit them within an hour and a half and then post them on YouTube. But overall, right now, I'm shooting everything throughout the day, and I kind of want to keep on doing this. I'm still going to do videos in the studio whenever we need to get really in depth with analysis, Bitcoin, altcoins, indicators, all that good stuff. But right now, guys, is a really shaky time. You really need to be keeping up with the day-to-day events because it's super crucial to understand exactly where these assets are going. If Bitcoin dominance and USDT start to shoot back up, then altcoins more likely are going to get squeezed. But moving into the inauguration, there has been a lot of specific indicators and also moves in the markets, like sweeping the December lows. On top of that, the price action around altcoins, how Ethereum is performing, and also Trump going into office, a Bitcoin strategic reserve, all these crypto policies that might go into effect. So it's super bullish. But this is where you need to keep a perspective in mind where, you know, after the inauguration, what potentially is going to be happening? Is this a fake pump and then a dump, or are we going to be ripping up? And then from there, when do you plan to take a little bit of profits, or do you think this is the actual rip up and then that's it, altcoins already peaked out? I think there's going to be two waves of this, and that's why I'm documenting my day-to-day journey, showing you guys exactly what's going on the day-to-day events, and overall exactly how you need to be allocating during these times. But guys, that is currently what's going on. If you're new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. Let me know what you guys think of my perspective. I'm gonna keep shooting videos like the ones that you've seen previously, and also videos like this where I'm doing my normal stuff and just shooting throughout it, and you know, just get more into it. I'm still working 9 to 5, still have a normal life, not like all these other crypto YouTubers that are just living amazingly in Dubai doing their own thing. I'm still struggling, doing all the different things that I need to do, educating myself on the market. So I want to keep you guys updated with how someone like me is changing his life throughout everything, not only just learning about crypto, but also escaping the 9 to 5 and everything else in between. New to the channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, stay tuned. I drop day-to-day content, so I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.